Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we are going to create a Voronoi diagram using Python. So we'll start this by importing the required libraries. So here numpy is used to generate random points, whereas matplotlib.pyplot is used to plot the Voronoi diagram, and scipy.spatial.voronoi this computes the Voronoi diagram, and scipy.spatial voronoi plot 2D here. This helps in visualizing the Voronoi structure. And now we'll generate random points. This sets the seed for reproducibility. This sets the number of random points. And this generates 15 random points in 2D, X and Y. So basically here np.random42 ensures that the random points are the same every time the code runs. And numPoints is equals to 15. This defines 15 points for the Voronoi diagram. And np.random numPoints and 2 this generates 15 random points with X and Y coordinates between 0 and 1. And now we'll compute the Voronoi diagram. So this computes the Voronoi diagram based on the input points. So basically the Voronoi diagram partitions the space so that each region contains all locations closer to one given point. And now we'll create the plot. So this creates a figure and an axis for plotting with figure size 8 to 6. This sets the figure size to 8 inches wide and 6 inches tall. And now we'll plot the Voronoi diagram. So this plots the Voronoi diagram on the given axis. So this hides the Voronoi vertices, points where the regions meet. This sets the region boundaries to blue. This makes the region boundaries thicker for better visibility. Now we'll plot the original points. So this plots the original 15 random points using red circular markers O, and points extracts the x coordinate of the points, and point colon 1 extracts y coordinate of the points, where label is equals to original point adds a legend entry for the points. And now we'll customize the plot. So this sets the title, and now we'll add label to the X and the Y axis. So this sets the X-axis and Y-axis label. Now we'll add the legend to the plot. And now we'll add the grid lines. And at last we'll display the plot. Now we can see this. Hence we can see a Voronoi diagram. So thanks for watching this video.